Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Roblox game in Roblox Studio. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Roblox Studio and click on my game. So here you can see my game. So how I can delete that, you simply need to click on three horizontal dots. And here you can see the only option is make private archive. So I'm going to click on archive. So here you can see that archiving a game make it private, so only you can play. Any running servers will be shut down. So click on archive and click on yes. So once you done that, your game will be moved into the archive section, and only if you want you can play, but the person is able to play here that game. So this is the only method possible. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.